Welcome to Mastering Solutions. In this problem, we'll be practicing converting units or dimensional analysis, and they want us to use the example of when grass grows in your backyard. They say it grows from the bottom to the top, and they want us to estimate how fast that is in meters per second. Now, I don't usually like it in questions when they want you to estimate. I understand what they're trying to do. They're trying to have you think critically to figure out, how much does it grow in a week or whatever, but it's hard to have consistent results, obviously. So in this one, we'll be using the numbers that the book does, which is 1 inch per week. So the book says in 1 week, we have 1 inch of growth. And so now we need to convert that into meters per second. And you can start by converting the inches into meters or the week into seconds. It doesn't matter which one you use. We'll be starting out by converting the week. So we know that we want the week to be on the top and we want it to be days on the bottom. So in 1 week, we have 7 days, of course. Now the weeks will cancel because we're cross multiplying essentially. And now we're in inches per day. Now we want to convert the days to hours. And then we'll be converting hours to seconds. So now we have gone from 1 week to seconds over here. And now we can just plug in the units. So we have 1 day is 24 hours and 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. This is a really good unit to memorize. It comes up all the time and it's faster than having to go from hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. So now that we have inches per second, now let's convert the inches to meters. We have meters per second, of course. So in 1 inch, we'll want the inches to be on top, on the bottom so that they'll cross multiply. And we're going to go to metric. So we have centimeters. So there's 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Again, this one is golden. You should absolutely memorize this unit for tests and just for doing your homework faster. And then now we have inches and we want centimeters to be on the bottom and meters to be on the top. So the centimeters will cancel and the inches will cancel. And then days cancel, of course, hours cancel, and we have meters on the top and seconds on the bottom. So now all we have to do is the math. So if a number is on the top, you multiply it. If it's on the bottom, you divide. Divided by 7 days, divided by 24 hours, divided by 3,600 seconds. Now we'll multiply that by 2.54 to get into centimeters and then divide that by 100 to put us into meters. Okay, I'm going to change the mode to scientific mode. And now whenever we put in our answer, we have 4.2 times 10 to the negative 8. So all that gives us 4.2 times 10 to the negative 8 meters per second. Okay, so we have 4.2 times 10 to the negative 8 meters per second for how fast your grass grows in a week if we assume that it's growing about an inch in 1 week.